Good morning, good morning. I just looked out the door and good morning, guys. Did we break out of the barn? Yeah? All right, let's go get breakfast. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, come. You guys, it's not even 6 o'clock in the morning yet. Come on. Come on, Larry. What, are you gonna headbutt me first thing? Are you hungry or not? Come on, Gilbert, let's go. You guys. Come on. Good morning, Granny. Come on, guys. Come on. How did you? Oh, you busted the door open, Larry. You busted the door open. How did you do that when it was locked? You guys probably ate all the chicken feed. You broke it, didn't you? Gosh, dang it, look at that. I don't know how he did it, but he managed to hit this hard enough to where this came out. How's that even possible? All right, dorks, let's go. Come on. Excuse me, ladies. All right, everybody in. Everybody in. Now go get your food, you goobers. All right, y'all. Have a great day.